Think about Ed Sheeran, Shape of You. It's fundamentally a dancehall track. It's one of the most streamed songs in history. Did it lead to a surge in Jamaican artists getting signed? No, it led to more pop stars asking their producers to make it sound like Ed Sheeran. The source is forgotten. The copy becomes the new original. Sean Paul said it best in a 2016 interview. It is a sore point when artists like Drake or Bieber don't credit where the sound came from. They don't understand the struggle that went into creating the music in the ghettos of Kingston. To them, it's just a seasonal trend. To us, it's our lifeblood.
What do you think about artists like, I know like Drake and your Tory Lanez that take the culture? Are you cool with that or?
Yeah, I'm cool with it. Of course, we'd love to see the artists pay homage. And definitely we'd love to see them even work with some Jamaican talent in terms of either producers or artists or whatever. But in general, I'm cool with it. It's a good indicator that people are fans of our music. The best form of flattery is imitation.